Three-man split, wide right. Comes the corner blitz. McCarron into the end zone. Intercepted.
Back shoulder throw. What a play by Sanders Cummings. They went to the back shoulder throw on man-to-man coverage, and Sanders Cummings makes the play.
Ruled a touchback out to the 20. How about that? He stepped out of bounds. After the intercept, Norwood in the slot up on the line now. Eddie Lacy is the running back. McCarron hands it to Lacy, who comes right, gets a great block, and it's a foot race. Lacy, touchdown, no flags.
Vern, we talked about it. You gotta run at the good pass rushers. And Doug Nussmeier or Nick Saban or whoever it is said, let's run at these guys. And that time, the offensive line and those big tight ends ran right at Jarvis Jones.
Jeremy Shelley, perfect. 96 yards and a touchdown toss. Looks deep. Oh, he's got a man open. It's intercepted instead. The throw was short. This is Clinton Dix.
Vern. Aaron Murray took a shot. And I knew that if he was going to play quarterback against Alabama, he was going to have a courageous game. There's Clinton Dix right there. Let's see who gets the hit on him. Comes from inside just as he lets it go. The ball was underthrown. And I think Murray got the hit after he threw the ball. Coming down.
Oh my gosh.
And that's almost unnecessary roughness by Quentin Dye.
Murray now 11 of 20. He'll feed Gurley again. He fights for the touchdown. He got it.
Wow. You talk about some effort. Gurley was not going to be stopped on that one. First of all, he hit it full.
Kicker Kate Foster. He's hit two in excess of 52. This one from 49. Foster, it's blocked. Picked up on the run. It's Alex Ogletree all the way for a Georgia touchdown. And Cornelius Washington blocked it. That one we know for sure.
That's for sure. We don't know if he got the last one, but we're sure he got this.
Georgia, they annually seem to lead the league in penalties, and Mark Richt says, not a problem. Yeldon, whoa, what a run! Touchdown, Alabama! And Barrett Jones got the key block.
He did. We're going to go for two here. Trying to get it from 21-16.
Murray goes deep down the middle. Tavares Getty at the 11.
From this bunch formation, Mike Bobo has been calling the corner route. This time, he went.
High snap to give to Gurley. Look at him break tackles. Look at him score. Georgia touchdown.
to say the scoreboard lies. Don't look at it. Do your job. And that time the Georgia offensive line answered. They pass protected on the long pass. And
first down 10, 3.5 remaining. Play action, McCarron. Deep left side, got a man open. Got the touchdown, Amari Cooper.